Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix your chat setting prevent you from sending messages on Roblox. So let's get started. Open the Roblox application on your mobile device and then log in to your account. Once logged in, simply tap on the more icon right over here. Then scroll below, tap on settings like icon. And inside here, simply select privacy and content restriction. Now, you need to go ahead and simply tap on communication. Inside this section, tap on experience chat and make sure experience chat is on. Also make sure direct chat is on as well. This ensure you're allowed to send messages in game and in direct chats. Now go back and then tap on party. And then make sure the party is set to connection. And then group party is also set to connections as well. This prevents communication restriction during group or party activities. Now go back and then simply tap on account info. Now scroll down until you see social networks visibility and then set it to everyone. This ensures your account is not restricted from interacting with other users. Now return to Roblox, launch any game and open up your chat box and then type in a message and just like that tap send. If you followed all the steps correctly, your message should now send normally, no more chat restrictions. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub and I'll see you in the next one.